teacher from Sant Rohidas Vidya Mandir, Subhash Nagar, Kolhapur. I welcome all of you in this new series, Learn from Home. Today we are going to see more about Roman numerals. So let's start. Now look at these images. What do you see in these images? Yes, there are some clocks. Can you tell me the time in these clocks? Yes, it's difficult because these clocks have no numbers, but it has symbols. Symbols like I, V and X. Do you know them? Yes, they are the capital letters. They are Roman capital letters. In Europe, in old times, Roman capital letters were used to write the numbers. Hence, they are called Roman numerals. Let's learn more about Roman numerals. There are 7 basic letters used in Roman numbers. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I repeat, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Now we find which letter denotes which number. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. Also, the value of symbol does not change with its place. There are some rules for writing Roman numerals. We are now going to see some rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. When we write I or X or C repeatedly for 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Let's see what happens. If we read I, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is I makes 2. In same way, I 3 times, I 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. In same case, X to X, 2 times X means 10, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, so X is for 20. X, yes, that is triple X, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30, so X denotes 30. In same way, C is for 100. C means 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. CC is equal to 200. C. That's triple C. Triple C means C. One C 100, another C 100, and third C 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. In this way, we can write these Roman numbers for those numbers. Rule 2. The symbols R, X and C can be repeated for a maximum 2 or 3 times. We can't write the symbols for 4 times. Let me explain it. If you write I, that is for 4 times, then it will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. But it's wrong. We cannot write 4 times any letter I, X or C. The more important thing is that the letter V, L and D never be repeated. I repeat, the letter V, L and D, they are never repeated. So remember this rule firmly, it is very important. We can write I, X and C maximum for 3 times. Rule number 3. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value added to the value of the bigger number. Let me explain it. If we write V, then we write right to its I, then it becomes VI. V means 5, I means 1. VI becomes 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. In the same way, if you write V, then I to its right. V is a bigger number, 5, I means 2, then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. In same way, V, I, it means V 5, I means 3, 5 plus 3, it will become 8. It's also for X. If we write X, then we write I to its right, then it becomes Xi, which means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. In the same way, Xii is equal to 12 and Xii is equal to 30. In same way, we can write V into right of X. That means XV means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Same way, XVI, it means 10 plus 5 plus 1 or 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. XVII, it means 10 plus 5 plus 2 or 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. XVIII, you can see on the screen, 10 plus 5 plus 3 or 10 plus 8, it will become 18. So that is the rule number 3. When we write any letter of its bigger symbol, then it will be added to its bigger number. When I is written on the left of V or X, its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. Let me explain this to you. If we write V first, then of its left side, if we place I, then it will become IV. That is V minus V is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If we write X, then we write I to its left. It will become IX. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. But you have to remember that only once we can write the symbol I to the left of V or X. Now we have learned 1 to 20 Roman numerals in line without except 14 and 19. There is separate rule for 14 and 19. There is a separate pattern for 14 and 19. If we write 14, then we will cut it as 10 plus 4. In case of 19, we should cut the 19 as 10 plus 9. That is 10 means X and 9 are X, then 19 will become XIX. So now we have learned all the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. Now we will repeat all the numbers. You can see it on the screen also. I for 1. I for 2, triple I, it's 3, IV is 4, V 5, VI is 6, VII 7, VIII is 8, IX is 9, X 10, XI 11, XII 12, XIII 13, XIV 14, XVI 15, XVI 16, XVI 17, XVI 18, XIX 19, double X, XX is 20. So we have learned 20 Roman numerals in this lesson. You try to write from 21 to 30 if you can do it as your exercise. Thank you.